everyone from the bottom of my heart today and to thank God at the close of this wonderful celebration. Santla, ke leboga mme mogolo, ka boleng teng jwa gagwe gompieno mo gare ga rona. Wena o teng mo botshelong jwa me le mo pelong ya me, ke a leboga thata thata. Our Queen Mother from the Royal Bafokeng Nation, Mrs. Somani Moletehi, has graced this event today, and I'm so grateful to her. She came into my life right after my ordination, and I've shared a very sad time with her and also very joyful times. On March the 21st, 1991, less than 2 months after my ordination, late one night, I drove Memogolo into exile. She was expelled from Phokeng. She sat in the car next to me, and I cried. But she is a wonderful woman, and we were able to welcome her back here for meetings with her council, and always her beautiful smile, and always her great courage as she served her people. And all the years she has supported me here in so many ways, in Tapolofo and other ways, I will never forget that. And I want to say to Memogolo, you are so special in my life. Ke leboga go menagane. Matsogo bagetso. Gape ke rata go leboga ba bishopo, ba prista, bo sister, bo brother le ditsala tsa me tse di ratagang. Batho botlhe ba ba dulang gaufi le kgakala. I want to thank everyone who has come, especially from far away, to be with me today. And I also want to thank, in a special way, the priests, the sisters, the brothers, the lay leaders, the sodalities, the parish councils, everyone who is in leadership and service and ministry in our diocese. I thank you for having walked with me these 25 years, supported me, given me love and care. It really has been a great gift in my life that I could work with such a wonderful diocese, such a wonderful community. I want to thank in a special way ke leboga Father James Juma, the Vicar General, the Diocesan Committee, Baba Berekelingeng ho feta go ba kanietsa letsatsi le. Ke leboga bone Baba Apeiling Dijo le babotle. Ke leboga go menagane. Father James Juma, the Vicar General, and his committee, they worked so hard for months now, and they are all very tired. But they have done a wonderful work, and I'm so grateful to them. All those who prepared the mission today, the Mass, the choirs, everyone who has worked so hard, I'm deeply grateful. But in a special way, at the end of this celebration, I want to thank you, my dear people. Many years ago, one of the hopes and dreams I had was for our people in the diocese to take real leadership in the parishes and the diocese, and I have watched as you have become wonderful leaders who serve our communities through the different ministries like catechesis, faith formation for our adults, family life, Masoliniana youth and young adults, and others, Jalu le Jalu. I've also seen how our people have worked together to develop the social ministries of our diocese, especially education, healthcare, HIV/AIDS, orphan and vulnerable children, justice and peace, and so on. Ke kore yo itseng ho dira ka matsogo a sa tsabe go tsena leswe ga ka ke a bolawa ke tlala. Ke re bagaetsho. We have come a long journey, but we still need to go on to care for all the needs of our diocese by ourselves. All our pastoral and social programs, care for the poor and the suffering, also all our financial needs. We're on a journey, and I want to encourage you to continue walking with me. Let us keep working together so that the promise of Jesus will be felt by all our people. I come that you may have life and life to the full. So to end, I express my gratitude, appreciation to all our priests, brothers, sisters, and people in the diocese. You have helped me and supported me and worked with me. And I want to say to you, the greatest gift of God in these 25 years is you, the whole family of God. That's God's greatest gift to me. And I want to tell you again today, you are my people, you are my people, and I am yours. I belong to you, and I love you. Atubame Mabaratekang, Tota Tota, Hompieno Ken Tatemokolo. Mopilong, Pirato Kobua, Lelona Mopul Pelong Yame. Kenil Weneo Ekolo e Twang Homudimo, Neo e Kalona. Patubame Babarasekhan. Kiamoketse neo e Pingwacha Dilimasome Amabedi Chano Sedifetili. Lona Patuba Modimo, Le Lapala Modimo, Udayo Senyaruna. Lona Leneo Yamudimo Mohonna, Kitse Sentle Horimo Pelong Yame, Lona, Lobatubame. Aka Kikore Le e Lokana. Ke lo belelela gape gore lo batubame na ke wa lona ke a lo rata tota tota. Pula. Amen.
Ke a leboga mo Bishop wa rona, the few words you've said about Mahosi. I can assure you that her contribution to this day, to all this that has happened today, cannot really be described. There's no time to describe that or to talk about it today. But she has shown all that you've said about her through what she's contributed to this day. I also thank so much Memo Holo Mutsasi, who was to be here. I have no idea what happened. And last, Sister Georgina, who had her late Solo Fellow community, who has worked tirelessly with me to accommodate bishops at Solo Fellow community. I hand over to Father Kenneth Motiani to tell us that from here, where to, and after that, final blessing from the bishop.
Kitiso ya meki a bofelo ke gopolang gore e botlhokwa thata. All the invited guests, the bishops, the priests, the brothers and the sisters, including the bishop's family. After the blessing from the bishop, you are all invited to proceed towards the hall by the pastoral center. The hall has been prepared for us, so we will proceed to the hall by the pastoral center. Those of us who know where the pastoral center is, can we please lead those who do not know where it is? And then for rona batho ba botlhe morago ga tshegofatso go tswa mo bishop re a go ema line ko di parking tse di fo pele ga kereke ke ko re tlileng go sefiwa go tswa ko teng. Ke a leboga. And then from Father Andrew, go bana botlhe ba ba dirang matric, bana ba rona ba ba dirang matric, ba ba nang le average ya 60%, le dira sentle ko sekolong le na le kgatlego ya go ka bona basari. Please, ke kopa ba ba nang le kgatlego ba na le 60% average le bone Father Andrew gone jaanong. Ke a leboga. Thank you. Re ka ema jaanong ra kopa tshegofatso ya